Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the front lower control arm on Mercedes E-Class W211. So this is the control arm that I'm talking about that we're going to replace. It's held by one nut on the ball joint and a bolt on the other side. On this control arm there is a play in the ball joint when I move the control arm up and down. So that's why we're gonna replace it. First we'll start by removing the wheel. So I need to remove this nut right there that holds the ball joint on the control arm, and also we need to remove this bolt on the other side of the control arm. But first we need to remove the bolts for the mudguard in order to get to the other side of the bolt. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Okay, now that we've removed the bolts for the mudguard, we have access to the other side of the bolt, and now we can remove the bolt. Okay, we've removed the nut. Before we remove the bolt completely, first we're going to remove the nut for the ball joint and take the ball joint out of the wheel hub. In order to remove the ball joint out of the wheel hub, I'm going to use this bracket which is gonna push out the ball joint. And that's the ball joint out. Now we're going to remove the bolt on the other side and take out the control arm. And now we can put on the new control arm. We put it in the exact reverse way. In order to tighten the nut on the ball joint, I'm going to use a pry bar to push down the ball joint, and then I'm going to use the gun to tighten the nut. Before tightening the bolt on the other side of the control arm, I need to push the whole suspension up as much as possible, and then I'm going to tighten the bolt. I'm going to use a transmission jack to push the suspension up, and then I'm going to tighten the bolt. If you tighten the bolt with the whole suspension down, that means that when the car is driving, this bushing on the control arm is gonna be under force all the time, and it's gonna break way sooner than it will if it's done the correct way. Now that everything is tightened, we can bring down the jack, and then we're finished. Thank you for watching.